Hi students, welcome to my channel Faisal Physics CIS. You can see something in my hand. This is called half meter disc. It is used to measure length. In this video, you will be learning how to make half meter disc. To make half meter disc, we need a thick cardboard, one white paper, nut and bolt, wooden scale of 30 cm, scissor, compass and stationery. Now on the cardboard, draw a circle of radius 9 cm and on white paper also draw a circle of radius 9 cm. So at the center you have to make one hole, and here also at the center you have to make one hole. This circle is to be divided into 10 equal parts like this. So 10 equal parts we have to divide, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, that means total 10 parts, and we have to write the numbers here: 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, and in between 50 to 45 there will be total 5 divisions. Similarly, next 5 to 10 again 5 divisions. So equal divisions will be there. So after cutting this cardboard, so it will look like this. In the center we have to make one hole, and this paper we have to stick on the disc. Now take the scale and at the one end make a hole by using this scissor. Simply you have to press on the scale, and if you rotate, then a circle, a hole can be made very easily. Now take nut and bolt, insert the bolt into the disc and take scale. So in the scale also we have to fix this bolt. So see that it should rotate freely. It should rotate freely. And now put the nut to it. So it is now fixed. Half disc is ready. So it should move freely on any surface. Now let us see how to use this half meter disc. For example, if you want to measure the length of this table, so we have to put 50 arrow here at the corner, and gradually we have to rotate the disc. So you can see here 40, after 41 is there, that means 41 centimeter is the length of this table. Now let us measure height of this board by using this half meter disc. For this purpose, first of all we have to set 50 with the arrow at the starting point and gradually move the disc downward. You can see the numbers are changing. Now 50 touch the board, that means up to here 50 centimeter. Gradually move it down. Again second time 50 came, that means total 100 centimeter. Now at the edge we have to see how many centimeters are there. So 20 centimeter, that means the total length of the board is 120 centimeter. By using this disc we can measure length of object. This half meter disc is very useful in our daily life. This model we can use in science exhibition. It is very impressive and attractive model. Visitors will definitely enjoy.